Good morning. I am Lakshmi Patay MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District, Karnataka State. My title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am discussing session number 52. The topic is branch accounting. I am working the problems on dependent branches under final account system. So what is final account system? Final account system Final account system is one of the method of branch accounting system. Under this system, the head office prepares a memorandum branch trading and profit and loss account to ascertain the results of the branch. The pro forma of its memorandum branch trading and profit and loss account is the same as the usual trading and profit and loss account. So first we debit the opening stock at branch, debit the goods sent to branch from head office if any returns are to be less, debit the purchases made by the branch directly if any cash are credit, debit the direct expenses of the branch, credit the sales of the branch cash and credit the closing stock of the branch, and finally the difference is called a gross profit or gross loss, that is to be brought down either debit side or credit side of the P&L account, and debit side of the P&L account to gross loss carry down, and debit the expenses of the branch, debit the bad debts, and debit the depreciation on fixed assets. The difference is either net profit or net loss, that is transferred to be general profit and loss account. So the opening stock up at the branch, goods sent to branch, goods returned by the branch, and closing stock at the branch must be shown at cost price only. If the goods are sent at invoice or loaded price, the load must be deducted and the cost price of these items must only be shown. If any item is missing, memorandum accounts, that is BR account, BP account, debtors account, creditors account, and cash and bank account must be prepared to identify the missing information, and there is no need to passing any journal entry because it is not a part of double entry system. So now I am taking one problem for discussing. Amul Limited as a head office and many retail branches which are supplied goods from the head office at a cost plus 25%. Accounts are kept at the head office from where all the expenses are paid. From the following balances as shown by the books, prepare branch trading and profit and loss account. Balances on 1/4/2014, stock at branch 75,000, petty cash at branch 1,950, debtors at branch 36,000, furniture at branch 42,000, prepaid rent 1,950, stock at branch on 31/3/2015 56,250, petty cash at branch on 31/3/2015 1,200, and depreciation on branch furniture at 10%. And transaction for the year ended 31/3/2015, goods invoiced from HO 4,56,000, cash sales at branch 4,20,000, and credit sales at branch 1,42,500, cash received from debtors 1,20,000, allowances to debtors 2,250, bad debts written off 1,800, and payments made by the head office rent for 1 year paid on 1/7/2014 is rupees 4,200, salaries 18,000, insurance premium 1,440. That is paid for the year ended 30th 6 2015. So based on the informations we are preparing branch trading and profit and loss account in the books of head office. So debit the opening stock, that is 75,000 into 100 divided by 125, that is 60,000, and debit the goods sent to branch account, that is 4,56,000 into 100 divided by 125, that is invoice price to be deducted 3,64,800, and credit the sales, that is cash 4,20,000, credit 1,42,500, the total is 5,62,500. By closing stock 56,250 into 100 divided by 125, that is 45,000. The difference on debit side is 1,82,700 is the gross profit. That gross profit to be brought down to credit side to the P&L account. By gross profit brought down 1,82,700. Come to debit side, debit the allowances to debtors 2,250, debit the bad debts 1,800, debit the depreciation on furniture 42,000 into 10%, that is 4,200, and debit the rent inner column 4,200, add prepaid rent at the beginning 1,950, total 6,150 kept to be inner column, because less prepaid rent at the end 1,050, and final balance is 5,100, and debit the salary 18,000 to insurance is inner column 1,440 less prepaid insurance 360, at the end, that is 1,440 into 3 divided by 12, that is 360 to be deducted from 1,440, then we get 1,080, and to petty expenses, that is 1,950 minus 1,200, that is 750, and the credit side total is 1,82,700, the difference is called 1,49,520 is the net profit. That net profit to be transferred to general profit and loss account. So again I am taking another problem. A merchant at Mangalore as a branch at Kukke, to which he charges out the goods at cost plus 25%. The Kukke branch keeps its own sales ledger and transmits all cash received to the head office every day. All expenses are paid from the head office. The transaction for the branch were as follows. So stock of goods at branch on 1/4/2019 2,20,000, petty cash on 1/4/2019 2,000, debtors on 1/4/2019 2,000, sales cash rupees 53,000, goods invoiced from HO 4 lakh, cash received from debtors 4,20,000, goods returned from branch to head office 6,000, and bad debts is also 6,000. So allowances to debtors 5,000, sales returns 10,000, check sent to branch rent 12,000, wages 4,000, salary is 18,000, and finally closing stock at branch at cost on 31/3/2020 2,60,000, and debtors on 31/3/2020 40,000, closing petty cash on 31/3/2020 including miscellaneous income of rupees 500 is not remitted, so total 2,500. The question is, prepare branch trading and profit and loss account in the books of head office. So first we prepare branch total debtors account because credit sales is not given in the problem. To balance brought down 2,000 by cash account credit cash received from debtors 4,20,000, by allowances to debtors 5,000, by bad debts 6,000, by credit sales returns 10,000, and finally by balance carried on 40,000. 40,000 credit side total is 4,81,000. 4,81,000. The difference is 4,79,000 is the credit sales. Next we prepare branch trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31/3/2020. To opening stock, that is 2,20,000 into 100 divided by 125, 1,76,000. Debit goods sent to branch 3,20,000 less 3,20,000. Okay, 4 lakh into 100 divided by 120, we got 3,20,000 less goods returned 4,800, that is 6,000 into 100 divided by 125, that is 3,20,000 minus 4,800, we got 3,15,200 is the answer. And debit the wages, that is 4,000, and the credit side by credit the sales cash 53, credit 4,79,000, less returns 10,000, remaining balance is 5,22,000, and credit the closing stock applying the rules 2,60,000 into 100 divided by 125, that is 2,08,000. The total is credit side 7,30,000. The difference is called gross profit 2,34,800 to be brought down to P&L account, that is credit side. By GP brought down 2,34,800. By miscellaneous income is included in given in the adjustment 500, and debit the salary 18,000, debit the bad debt 6,000, debit the allowances to debtors 5,000, debit the rent account 12,000, and the difference is 2,35,300. Credit side total, the difference is 1,94,300. 1,94,300 is the net profit transferred to general profit and loss account. So try yourself. Atriya Limited as a head office and many retail branch which are supplied goods from the head office at cost plus 25% from the following balances shown by the books. Prepare branch trading and profit and loss account. So balances on 1/4/2018 5 lakh, petty cash at branch 13,000, debtors at branch 2,40,000, furniture at branch 2,80,000, prepaid rent 13,000, stock at branch on 31/3/2019 3,75,000, petty cash at branch on 31/3/2019 8,000. The depreciation on branch furniture at 10% per annum, and transaction for the year ended 31/3/2019, goods invoiced from HO 30,40,000, cash sales at branch 28 lakh, credit sales at branch 9,50,000, cash received from debtors 8 lakh, allowances to debtors 15,000, bad debts return of 12,000, payments made by the head office, that is rent for 1 year paid on 1/7/2018 rupees 28,000, salary 1,20,000, insurance premium 9,600 paid for the year 30th/6/2019. These are the references given by various authors. So now I conclude the branch accounting. In this last session, I am once again repeating. So in branch accounting, we are know the introduction about the branch and definition of the branch and objective of the branch and purposes of the branch accounting and what are the types of branches. We know the domestic branches, foreign branches, and the dependent branches, independent branches, and what are the fully controllable and partly controllable branch, and what are the features of dependent branches, and what are the methods of accounting we are recording. We know the debtor system, we know the final account system, and another one is stock and debtor system. So under when the head office under debtor system, head office sends two types of goods, one is cost price and another one is invoice price, and some items are missing, then that time we prepare different types of accounts, that is bills receivable, bills payable, debtors and creditors, and cash book are maintained, and these are the informations we are using. So thank you.